Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to sign in to Capcut PC using your TikTok account. Let's begin. Now, to sign in to Capcut PC using your TikTok account and link the two, you just have to follow these simple steps. Basically, this feature is useful if you want to sync your Capcut projects with TikTok or use features integrated with your TikTok account. So, once you have opened your Capcut on your PC application on your Windows, PC, or MacBook, I want you to find the sign in button. How would you find it? Once you are on the Capcut application, I want you to click the menu on the top left corner. You would notice that there is an option that says back to homepage. What will happen is you would be forwarded here. The project has been saved. And then there is a section here that says sign in. But right now, I'm signed into my Google account. So what I'm going to do is log out of this for now. You see this option? I'm going to click the sign out button and then sign in using my TikTok account. And then from here, I'm going to click the sign in button. I will be forwarded to this pop-up window wherein I have now the option to sign in with TikTok. It's kind of easy, really. Now, all I have to do is click this button. And I will be forwarded to a new window wherein all I have to do is make sure you use the account that is associated with your TikTok account. So if you have used a Facebook account connected to your TikTok, a Google account, a Line account, Kakao Talk, and Apple, you choose any of the following options. I'm gonna choose my Google because Google is the associated accounts for both TikTok and Capcut. And from here, once you've noticed, all I have to do is click the continue and just follow the on-screen instructions. You see that? So Capcut Desktop wants to access your TikTok account and you have all of these. Basically, we have created a separate video on how to link your Capcut account to TikTok, but that's going to be using your mobile. This time, it's going to be using your desktop. Click on continue. Wait for it, and then now all I have to do is open the Capcut. We'll be forwarded to the same interface earlier. You see, I was able to connect both accounts. Now, the idea is that once you have logged in via TikTok, your Capcut account will be linked to your TikTok profile. You can now easily access your TikTok content and features. And of course, you will be able to directly upload Capcut videos or TikTok to sync your projects. Click this. And from here, you can easily share your Capcut creations directly to your TikTok account. Some Capcut features are, of course, designed to work seamlessly with TikTok, such as templates and optimized export settings for TikTok. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.